Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Kailan po ba nag-a-apply ng wastewater discharge permit? Sino ang nag-a-apply ng discharge permit? Pwede nating basahin ang nakasulat dito sa DENR Administrative Order number 2005-10 dated May 16, 2005, entitled Implementing Rules and Regulations of the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 or the Republic Act number 9275. Sabi po dito sa Rule 14.18 ng DAO 2005-10, I read and I quote, pollution sources connected to sewerage systems. Pollution sources currently discharging to existing sewerage systems with operational wastewater treatment facilities shall be exempt from the permit requirement. So kung ini-interpret natin to personally, kung merong isang establishment na gumagamit ng tubig at after gamitin yung tubig na ito, magiging na siyang wastewater. Hindi naman siya pwedeng i-dispose directly sa water bodies. Now, base sa Rule 14.18, kapag ang isang pollution source, halimbawa ang isang septic tank, ito ay considered source of water pollution. Halimbawa, ang isang on-site sarili, wastewater treatment plant, may sarili ang isang establishmento na treatment plant. Kapag daw ito ay nakakonect, if the pollution sources currently discharging to existing sewerage system with operational wastewater treatment facilities shall be exempt from the permit requirement. So yun yung context nitong 14.18 na if a pollution source is connected to the sewerage system with operational treatment facility will be exempted from the permitting requirement, yung discharge permit. Now, may mga pagkakataon, di naman talaga lahat sa ating lugar sa Pilipinas ay mayroong sewerage system with operational wastewater treatment facility. Kaya sabi dito sa 14.18, provided that in the absence of, kung wala talagang sewerage system with treatment facility or pending the establishment of the system, ginagawa pa lang. So ano ang mangyayari doon sa wastewater na nasa mga septic tank, nasa mga wastewater treatment facility, sa ating mga oil ingress interceptor? Anong gagawin doon? Anong mangyayari doon? Parang naka-hold sila, naka-hold yung wastewater na yon. So, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka directly discharging sa environment, sa land or water. Sabi kasi dito, provided that in the absence of, kung walang connection sa sewerage system or pending the establishment of a sewerage system, pollution sources shall be covered by the permit requirement. So, dalawang bagay dito. Una, kung ikaw ay merong ino-operate na source of water pollution like septic tank, oil ingress interceptor, oil and water separator, lagoon, lahat yan mga holding tank, wastewater treatment system, at kung ang design ay i-discharge mo pa din, mayroon ka ring effluent. Kapag hindi kapag meron kang ganyang source, ay dapat meron kang discharge permit. Pangalawang bagay, if you are not connected to the sewerage system with operational treatment facility, covered ka daw ng discharge permitting requirement. So in short, sa mga nagtatanong lagi kung sino ang nag-a-apply ng discharge permit, yung mga establishment na sinasabi dito na hindi connected sa sewerage system with operational treatment facility. At sino naman yung exempted? Those establishment with pollution sources currently discharging to an existing sewage system Kaya minsan mapapansin nyo, yung mga establishment sa Metro Manila na kung saan ang kanilang lugar mayroong sewerage system, sila yung nagbabayad ng sewer fee, connected sila doon, na i-exempt sila sa discharge permitting requirement ng batas na ito. At ganun nga, ang mga facilities, ang mga establishments na tenant, o tenant ka sa loob ng commercial building. Halimbawa, isang dental clinic, isang restaurant, nag-release ng isang commercial space, marami sila doon. Lessee sa isang mall, it's drainage connected sa building drainage at yung building may kanyang common sewerage system with operational treatment system or facility. Lalo-lalo sa mga malls, may mga wastewater treatment plant or sewage treatment plant na ang mall. Yung mga tenant doon or lessee, na-exempt sila base dyan sa Rule 14.18 ng DAO 2005-10. Yun pang mga nasa loob ng industrial park, Lightman or heavy industrial park, sila mga locators. They are connected to the centralized wastewater treatment plant. Pagka ganon, base nga sa Rule 14.18, you are exempted for discharge permit. So kapag usapang exemption, masatisfy mo lang yung connection sa existing sewerage system with operational treatment facility. And then, yun nga, sa Metro Manila, kung meron tayong connection sa mga public sewer line with operational treatment facility, gaya ng sa Maynilad, Manila Water, we are paying certain amount for the sewer fee. So, pagka ganito, just request for certification. Kailangan mo lang ma-establish yung connection na yon. Ang tawag nga ng iba ay Certificate of Interconnection, lalong-lalo sa mga public sewer line, sa mga centralized treatment plant, yung mga tenant, lessee, mga simple certification lang. May proof naman gaya ng mga lease contract, ano. So kapag na-establish mo yung connection, magiging ano siya, magiging mahalaga sa pag-claim ng exemption sa discharge permit. So kapag tayo ay merong ah, connection sa existing sewerage system with operational treatment facility, gaya ng mga tenant or lessee, locators, and then connected sa public sewer line, na i-exempt tayo sa discharge permit. Maliban na mayroong applicable rule, like some cases na hindi ka exempted for discharge permit, kundi hindi ka na lang sisingilin nung discharge fee, processing fee na lang. O, under LLDA, may mga setup na ganyan na if you are connected to a wastewater treatment facility, mag-a-apply ka ng discharge permit, hindi ka sisingilin ng discharge fee, kundi processing fee na lang. Under DNR EMB, pagka ma-establish mo yung connection mo sa sewerage system, magkaroon ka ng proof, meron kang certificate of interconnection, may documents kang ipipresent to prove na ikaw ay connected sa sewerage system with operational treatment facility, pwedeng ma-exempt ka sa discharge permitting requirement. So, sa atin, kailangan ay maging malinaw na nakasulat sa Rule 14.18 ng DAO 2005-10, if a pollution sources currently discharging to existing sewage systems with operational wastewater treatment facility shall be exempt from the permitting requirement, provided that in the absence of or pending the establishment of a sewerage system, pollution sources shall be covered by the permit requirement. So I hope you have learned something today. Rule 14.18 of DAO 2005-10. Ang basis natin kung sino ang nag apply ng discharge permit, sino naman ang mga na-exempt.